Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. So by not taking you too much time, let's begin the video. So today in this video, as you can see here on the screen, we are going to create this beautiful login page with using only HTML and CSS. There is no JavaScript at all. So what's the special about this? This is just a normal login form until you came up here. When you hover on the submit button, it will glow differently. When you move your hover off, it will come back to normal. So yeah, let's begin. So first of all, open your code editor if you are using Visual Studio Code. So you came across this window. Now open a new file and we are going to save this file. I'm going to save it in desktop. You can save it wherever you want. So create a new folder. In this folder, I'm going to give it this folder login page name. You can give whatever name you want, and file name I'm going to give index.html, and I'm going to save it in login page. So now we are going to get a boiler code. For that, write exclamation mark and then hit tab. Okay, now so let's code for the body part. First, create a division. In this division, give a class name login-box. After that, create a login tag, and within this, let's start our server so we can see the changes. Yeah, as you can see here. So after that, we are going to create a form tag, and in this form tag we are going to create two divisions. So create first division, and this first division is class name user-box. In this division we are going to put an input field which is type text, and name and require will be none, and we are going to put a label which is username. After that, we are going to create another division, and in this division we are going to put input type equal to password, and name and required as usual as above, none, and we are going to give a label password here. After that, we are going to create an anchor tag, and we are going to hyperreference to none. So in this anchor tag we are going to create span tag, and after this creating span tag we are going to submit text, and now save it. And here, as you can see, but we forgot one thing, title. So instead of document, write login form and save it. Okay, as you come up here, now we have a question why I use this span tag. I will explain everything to you at the end. So first, complete the code with me. Okay, now we are going to apply some CSS to it. So before that, we need to link our CSS file here. This link and should be style.css. So first, create a style.css file where you create your index.html file. So after that, write HTML. In this HTML part, we are going to give a height 100%. After that, we are going to code for body, and body we are going to set margin to 0, padding 0, font family to sans serif, background to linear gradient. After that, we are going to code for the login box. So position should be absolute, top 50%, left 50%, width 400 pixel, padding 40 pixel, transform translate -50%, comma -50%, background to RGB 0000.5, box sizing border box shadow 0.15 pixel 25 pixel, border radius 10 pixel, and save it, and you can see some changes here. So now after that, after the login box, we are going to create for heading. In this, give margin to 0030 pixel, padding to 0, color to hashtag FFF, text align to center. Now after that, we are going to go for login box user box. For that, we are going to set position relative and save it. You can see the changes here. So now we are going to code for the input tag. In this, set width 100%, padding 10 pixel and 0, font size 60 pixel, color to hashtag FFF which means blue, margin bottom 30 pixel, border none, border bottom 1 pixel solid, white which means write a code hashtag FFF. After that, outline to none, and set background to transparent, and then save it. So yeah, you can see it. So after that, we are going to code for login box user box label. In this, set position absolute, top 0, left 0, padding 10 pixel 0, font size 16 pixel, color to hashtag FFF, point events to none, transition 0.5 second, and save it. So you can code for this label part. So now after that we are going to code for this part. As you can see here, as I tap here and I tap here, there will be different. Okay, now just let's finish the code. I will explain it to later, as I said earlier. Now set top minus 20 pixel, left to 0, color to this, font size 12 pixel, and save it. Now you can see what the difference between. So now after that we are going to code for anchor tag. For this we are going to set position relative, display inline block, padding 10 pixel 20 pixel, color to this, font size to 16 pixel, text decoration to none, text transform will be uppercase, overflow hidden, transition 0.5 second, set margin top 40 pixel, letter spacing 4 pixel, and save it. Now after that we are going to code for hover. Basically we are going to code for this glow, right? So now in a hover, write background to this, color to white, border radius to 5 pixel, box shadow. Okay, let me enlarge the window. So as you see here, just copy this attribute whole. Okay, now save it and move your cursor into submit button. Boom, you will complete most achievement. Now we are going to code for this. As you see what is running around submit button, we are going to code for this. So for that we are going to first code a span tag. For that set position absolute and display block, save it. After that we are going to code for the first span tag. You remember in HTML file here we write 4 span tag. So first span tag is the first child. Now we are going to code for that. Is to top 0, left minus 100%, width 100%, height 2 pixel, background to linear gradient 90 degree, transparent, and color this. You can see on the screen. Animation button, animation 1 second, linear infinite. Now save it. So still we don't get any movement. So just move on. Write keyframes, button animation 1. In that 0%. In 0% set left to minus 100%. Now 50%, comma 100%, and left to 100%. Now save it, and yeah, you can see one moment here. So now we are going to code for this whole 4 side. Okay, so let's just move on. Login is nth span nth child 2. Okay, if you want to do it little bit easily, you can copy this from here to here and paste below. There are some minor changes, so you can do it with me. So now in LCL2 set top to minus 100%, right to 0, width to 2 pixel, height to 100%, background linear gradient 180 degree, transparent, and color is this. Animation to button animation 2, 1 second, linear infinite, animation delay 0.25 second, and after that keyframes and button animation 2 0%, setting to top 100 minus 100%, 50%, 100%, and in this we are going to set top 100%. Now save it, and we have 2 movements. We have to rest 3 catch up. Okay, so let's just finish it and I will explain. Now we are going to code for nth child 3, bottom to 0, right minus 100%, width 100%, height 2 pixel, background linear gradient 270 degree, transparent. After that animation button animation 3, 1 second, linear infinite, button animation delay which is going to 0.5 second, and we're going to set keyframe buttons animation 3 at 0%. We are going to set right to minus 100%, and 50% and 100% we are going to set right to 100%. Now save it, and we have 3 moving parts. Now after that one left is remaining, so let's complete it. Login box as nth child 4. In this bottom to minus 100%, left to 0, width to 2 pixel, height to 100%, background to linear gradient 360 degree, transparent, and this animation button animation 4, 1 second, linear infinite, button animation delay 0.75 second, keyframes button animation 4, 0% to bottom minus 100%, 50% and 100%. So now set bottom to 100% and save it. So you can see here, by chance if you don't get the output what we want, so don't worry, just check from the above what we did the mistake, find out. We are going to give you code, so don't worry, get that code, paste it here. So this is guys, that's enough for today's video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more design related tutorial like this. Thank you.